Alright, good morning from Datarum Algorithmica, and so today I'm presenting you the two new indicators that I have made available on cTrader store. One, my name is Datarum Algorithmica. Okay, you can see here. That's my cTrader store profile. And today we got two new indicators. One it's Vantage Sigint, and the other one it's Ivis signal. These two indicators, they are top quality class. Nothing you can find similar on cTrader. They are actually way above what cTrader can provide, and these are custom made, and I have never worked in an hedge fund, but I'm trying to provide the best quality indicators for even beginners to navigate, especially these times which are very volatile for stock markets. So what are Ivis signal and Vantage Sigint? These are two indicators which encompass altogether a long series of volatility measures that you will not find on cTrader in the platform. These are not standard basic indicators, simple moving average, Bollinger Band, nothing of the sort. These are custom made volatility indicators. In a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. These volatility indicators, they measure in real time volatility. They measure in real time what is the value at risk. They will give you alert signals, so they have predictive tools where they can tell you, okay, volatility is calm or volatility is about to spike. They measure the standard, the z-score, so the Gaussian probability that volatility is going to spike. They will measure the value at risk. They will measure vol of vol, the volatility of volatility. So these are highly technical, high quality signals, SIGINT, okay? And these products are unique on cTrader store and Datarum Algorithmica. I am the only person who can provide you with this kind of technical indicators. Now we're going to see on chart what I'm talking about. So here we see we have IVIS signal. Okay, so we have this indicator here. Okay, institutional volatility intelligence suite, and it brings together four types of volatility measure: close to close, Parkinson, Garman class, Yang-Zhang, and composite. So here on the top right corner we have the alert message. You can select one here and you will have the short window message, alert message, if it comes up. You can select one here and you will have the medium window alert message, which says the term structure volatility curve slope, it's in backwardation, so you will have the indicator measures in real time the term structure curve of the volatility. It tells you the slope, it tells you what is the percentage of the slope, which is minus something, and it tells you the spike may be peaking. So you can see now that here we have the chart of pound dollar cable. Pound, you have a pressure sell-off in the pound, but the indicator tells you the spike may be peaking. And you have VOVZ score, so you have a 4.25 standard deviation in vol of vol, and it writes down vol instability extreme. So it's actually measured in real time the stability or instability of volatility on cTrader. So you will need to pay a 24,000 a year, if you're lucky, Bloomberg terminal to have this kind of stuff, or you will need to have some prop custom hedge fund software to measure this thing. I'm making this available on cTrader to anybody for only $149. And it comes fully customized, 14-day money-back guarantee, full customer service. You can contact me at here. I am Datarum Algorithmica. You can contact me at Datarum Algorithmica at techi.com, at my email address. You send me the email and I will give you, there is a trial product, which only shows you the surface of the thing, and it's limited probably. The full product, if you want the full product, email me, I will guide you through everything, and I will provide any answer customer service that you need, Monday to Friday, working hours ideally, but you can email me anytime. So what do we have here? You see pound dollar 1 hour time frame measuring the volume forex. We have the measure of volatility 6.22%. It's adjusting in real time the WMA, which is the exponential weighted moving average. You have measures of value to risk, CVAR and historical VAR. So in real time is giving you a measure of what could be a theoretical drawdown, 1 day extreme drawdown. It's 99, VAR 99.9. So these are really one in a century thing. The most reliable measure that you can have, it's here, HS VAR, historical VAR. It tells you, okay, you can have an additional drawdown and another 0.38%. Now it's 0.41. It tells you the term structure of the volatility. You have 3 windows, SML, which is short, medium, and long term. And you have here what is the term structure of the volatility. It's now 5.3, 5.4. You see the numbers are moving around. Let me close this. Okay, no, let me keep it open. So you see the pound, it's almost 1% down today. It's selling off. You have in real time the alert of the slope of the term structure volatility. It tells you it's flat, it's in contango, it's in backwardation. This indicator will be actually super good for oil market. You can see now it's reading contango. Now it tells you, okay, low risk, normal sizing. Now if we change time frame, let's put it a 10-minute time frame, so a shorter time frame, you will see that it should adapt and it should tell you exactly. Okay, let's put it on auto. Here you have the 5 kinds of vol indicator: close to close price, Parkinson, Garman class, Yang Zhang composite. If you put Garman class, press OK. You have a Garmin class indicator, that's the volume profile, and it should load a little bit. So you have the usual, you have here all the description of the volatility trend structure, vol of vol, the z-score, so which means the standard normal, the Gaussian standard normal distribution. You want to see if the z-score is larger than 1 or 2. You can see here top right hand corner, vol of vol score 2.53, vol instability extreme. So it's actually reading in real time what it's happening, and it tells you, okay, vol is calm, vol of vol is calm, or volatility is very high. You can choose the lines here. You can choose how to color the lines. So here you see all these colors, all these lines, these all the indicators that are packed into all the signals that are packed into this indicator. There is value at risk, there is the slope, the term structure, the slope of the term structure, and you can choose, you will have here, you see, breakout or buy or sell signal, and you'll have MR, which is mean reversion, buy or sell signal. You'll have a measure of how volatility is stretching the Bollinger Band of vol. All these lines, they are all packed here, and they all come together in the oscillator here, and you can choose which colors to assign to these histograms. Okay, these bars here, when it's red, it means that volatility is going higher. You can see how this line here, which is the Ivis signal spike line, goes up, and then you have a drawdown in of the price action, and the bar here colors in red. You can choose the color. This is elevated volatility. The crisis color is black. The elevated volatility, it's red. The yellow volatility, it's a middle one. The green one, it's when it's calm. You can see here how vol goes down, it changes the color, and then you have all the green. So, and then you have the dots on when there is the spike, when actually it's spiking. And you have here these dots here, it's a predictive signal of what has happened later. You see what is the huge. Now it's signaling here that we are breaching the Bollinger Band, and we have a mean reversion or a buy signal. It's actually reading in real time what is happening on pound dollar. Let's have a look. I want to load the oil chart. Give me one second. So here we go. Here we have the oil chart. You can see clearly all the lines which are measuring all different measures of volatility. Oil, it's gaining value. It's becoming more and more expensive. Here we have that's 10-minute chart. We have the buy signal, and we have the term structure of the volatility, backwardation. It's between flat and backwardation. We are on a 10-minute time frame. You can see how the green bars, they follow exactly the uptrend. So the indicator, it's not only is reliable, it's predictive. It has a predictive feature. It reads volatility. You can see here, let me change here, how we have a green bar here, the price still is going down, but then you have a huge reversal in price. So a few bars before, okay, you have a predictive signal. Also in the volatility spike line goes down, and then you know that the trend is changing direction, and volatility here it's decreasing, all green, and then the price goes up. Now we are having another signal, volatility is picking up in oil. So you can see how it's here we have a dot, and you see this small sequence of red candles. All these lines, they are all measuring the value at risk, the Bollinger Band volatility, and you will have a line that will spike up or down, will spike up when volatility starts to increase. Now I can try to see if we put it on a larger time frame, 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here we have all these black bars. They tell us that volatility is really high, vol instability extreme. Here we have spike score 60 of 100. It tells you prepare for a spike. It tells you term structure is in the alert message, term structure is in backwardation, so forth and so on. We can, as I showed you, we can, now we are using a Garman class. We can use the composite indicator. You can customize the value, what is the early warning threshold, the strong warning threshold. You can enable or not the text alert. You can decide the short, medium, and long-term window. You can decide if to have or not the info panel on the bottom left. You can decide if you want to have only the breakout signal or the mean reversion or both signals. And again, all these lines, they are all signals in one indicator. It's kind of amazing of what this can do. And you can see now how the mean reversion signal has turned out in a red candle. So I'm showing you in real time how this one, it's IVIS signal, and it's on the store for Datarum Algorithmica. Contact me at Datarum Algorithmica at techi.com and I will be able to assist you. And on the store there are also cbots, trading algorithms. You can see people are installing for free or they are buying my products. They are very happy. They contact me through email. You can find the email on the profile, etc. And I will be able to assist you step by step. And that's for Ivis signal, institutional volatility intelligence suite signal. And the store is Datarum Algorithmica.